Okay, so let's quickly discuss about the Sehri diet plan. Okay, this is a general diet plan. Okay, so this can be followed by anyone. Okay, हर कोई जो है इसका जो है ये फॉलो कर सकते हैं। बेसिकली प्लान क्या है, आधा प्लेट आपका ये शहरी के ताल्लुक से आधा प्लेट आपका जो है एक लो जीआई कार्ब, जैसा कि जो है आपका मिलेट्स है, कीनवा है, राइट। ये ले लेंगे आधा प्लेट शहरी के वक्त। पाव प्लेट, क्वार्टर प्लेट आपका कोई हाई क्वालिटी प्रोटीन होना चाहिए। प्रोटीन कौन सा? हाँ, ये बीन्स वाला चिकपीस, ये जो चने हैं ये वाला। मशरूम भी ले सकते हैं, कभी कभार पनीर भी ले सकते हैं, कभी कभार एक अंडा भी ले सकते हैं। अगर किसी को जो है कोलेस्ट्रॉल प्रॉब्लम है तो सिर्फ वाइट्स ले लें, एग वाइट ले लें बस, राइट। और उसके बाद क्वार्टर प्लेट आपका, पाव प्लेट आपका जो है फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स होना चाहिए, जिसमें फाइबर ज़्यादा होता है। फाइबर से आपका जो है आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन नहीं आएगा, आपका गट जो है एकदम बैलेंस रहेगा। और उसके अलावा ये आपको, हाँ, आपका शुगर लेवल भी जो है कांस्टेंट रखेगा, उसको जो है डिप होने नहीं देगा, राइट। और इसके अलावा जो है, हाँ, ये 1.5 टीस्पून 2 टीस्पून आपको हेल्दी फैट्स सीड के शक्ल में लेना चाहिए। ओके, जैसा कि पंपकिन सीड्स है, आलमंड्स ले सकते हैं, बादाम ले सकते हैं, चिया सीड्स ले सकते हैं, लेकिन चिया सीड्स आपको पानी में डाल के उसको भिगो कर लेना होगा, राइट। तो दिस इज जनरल डाइट, राइट। Right. So let me tell you about the Sehri diet. Okay. So half plate, your half plate should be what? Yes, it should be your healthy or low GI carbs. So mostly your millets. So mostly your quinoa. Okay. So you have to take it because it will stabilize your blood sugar levels. You will not have those sugar spikes when you feel that tiredness, that energy loss, sudden energy loss when you're fasting, right? So this is a very good method to prevent all those things. That is to eat half a plate of low GI carbs. So mostly what, millets, then your quinoa or other things, like you can also have barley chapati, right? Uh, like that. Okay, quarter plate should be your protein, your high quality protein. Okay, make sure you're not eating animal protein much, because it has a lot of you know it is very heavy, it has fat, it has unhealthy fat. Okay, the kidney, the liver takes a lot of time to break it down, so it will not help you in detoxification during fasting times, right? Then quarter plate should be what? Yeah, your fruits and vegetables. Better you can take vegetables as salads during the Sehri time. Okay, so fruits, vegetable salad during the Sehri time, fruit salad during the iftar time. Okay, so if you want, you can take dates if you want, even in the Sehri time, that is sunnah, right? And 1 teaspoon you have to take what? Yeah, your healthy fats, because it's very important that you take healthy fats as well, right? So, for example, you can take pumpkin seeds, you can take some walnuts, you can take some almonds. So, this is a general diet. This can be followed by anyone. Okay, those who have issues like diabetes, like ulcer, like hyperthyroidism, hypertension, right? So they need a different plan. They need to choose different types of food varieties and food eating order combination, right? If you want to have that, you can always contact us. We will make a personalized diet plan for you, inshallah. Okay, only thing is you have to send us what your latest reports and a small summary of your issue, and we'll also talk to you on phone, so to ask few questions, and based on that we'll make a diet plan for you. हाँ, right. दरमियान में कोई सवाल है क्या? If you have any questions, please raise your hand. I will answer your questions, right? Then iftar diet plan is very simple, right? So you're going to break your fast with water and khajur, water and dates only. If you want to add few fruits, you can add muskmelon, watermelon. That's it. Those fruits which have lot of water content in that, right? Don't take citric acid foods, that is citrus fruits such as lemon, orange, because your body will be already very hot in condition. It will be hot in temperament because you are fasting. ये जो रोजे होते हैं, ये रोजे जो है हमारे जिस्म में ये गर्म मिजाज पैदा करते हैं, बदन में जो है गर्मी और खुश्की होती है, ड्राइनेस होता है. सो वी आर नॉट सपोज टू टेक व्हाट, फॉरन स्पाइसी फूड खा लेना, फॉरन जो है सिट्रस फूड्स खा लेना. इससे क्या होता है, हाँ, एसिडिटी का इश्यूज आते हैं, रिफ्लक्स के प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, राइट. सो यू शुड नॉट टेक ऑल दो सिट्रस फ्रूट्स. इंस्टेड टेक वाटरमेलन, मस्क मेलन and other water content, high water content fruits, right? Then you give a gap of 45-50 minutes, then you have your major meal, okay, to prevent indigestion, to prevent acid reflux, and to prevent the intervention when detoxification is going on, right? When you eat heavy foods, it will intervene and it will create problems. So that will be a disadvantage for you, right? So you after you come back after your Maghrib Salah, after maybe 50 minutes or 60 minutes, you can have your major meal. Okay, आपका जो मेजर मील है वो ले सकते हैं. उसमें आपको, हाँ, गंजी लेना बहुत बेहतरीन रहेगा. इट विल बी वेरी गुड इफ यू टेक व्हाट, यस, पॉरेज. ओके, पॉरेज, whole oats porridge, okay, or millet porridge, or brown rice porridge, right? Only unprocessed varieties of food, okay, that will keep you energetic, that will help you stay lighter, okay. So people always complain. Most of the time they say, I feel very heavy when I have iftar. I'm not able to get up, go for the salah. Why? Because we are eating the wrong combinations. Okay, so we have to hydrate ourselves. That is why we should come back again, eat some fruits, right? And when we have our dinner, we have to make sure that at least 1.5 hour before going to bed, because that will create what? Insomnia, right? We have already discussed. Ji. Any questions, please? See, lactating mothers, yeah, they need to follow a diet plan. Okay, I can't give you now because this is a general diet plan. Okay, this is for everybody, right? So if you want a personalized diet plan, you have to contact us. Nazim Ansari, sister, your question, please.
हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, sister.
हाँ, आपका ये जो भी डाइट के लिए हम लोग कर रहे हैं, माशाल्लाह सहरी तो बहुत अच्छे से हो रहे हैं।
जी,
हम लोग सब घर पे नबीज लेते हैं और तलबीना भी पी रहे हैं सर।
माशाल्लाह.
अभी नबीज जो है डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स को नहीं देना चाहिए ना।